Hello everyone. Hello. I greet you all according to your time. Hello. This is Juliet Lovely Family TV. Please guys, if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, thumbs up, and leave your comments. That comment section. Drop your comment there, guys. My topic today is about how men need to shed love for their wife and children. Love. Sharing the love. Okay, guys. How you need to share your love to your wife and children. Yes, guys. Leave your comments for that place. Okay? Just drop your comments. Okay, guys? You know, there are some men that they will say they love their children more than their wife. Guys, it's not nice. Loving your children more than the mother of your kids is not nice. You have to love your wife first. Share that love. If the love is 100%, just share it to 70 or 80. Give your wife 80. And leave the rest for your kids. The kids, they are the ones that are supposed to love you. Okay? Let those kids share love for you. And I know the parents have to share love for their children. It's very, very important. But some men, they will say they love their children more than their wife. That kind of thing is not nice. It's not nice. We all know they are your children. Also with the mother. But this message going direct to the men. This message going direct to the men. Okay, guys? I'm talking to the father. The oga patakpata themselves, you know? I'm talking to their... dedicate this message to fathers. This message is going direct for all fathers. Okay, guys, you have to love your woman. You have to love your wife. Mostly, that love that you have for your wife is permanent. It's permanent. Nobody is taking it from her. Your love that you have for your woman is permanent. Your children won't go carry and go another man's house. Okay, your children love the love that you have for your kids. They will take it to other women. They will take it to other men. That is how it is. Some men will just say, no, because of my children, because of my children. That is why you are still here with me, because of my children. If not because of my children. If not because... No. Love your wife. Why are you hiding the love? Some will say, if I too love the woman now, you go come dey pretend, you come dey too dey do, you come dey do overdo. No, guys. Sorry, guys. No, anything, any feeling when you get, anything when you know say it dey inside you, show your woman, show it out. We the women, we value things like that. We value it. When you are appreciating us what we have done, we will see we will still have more view to do more. We will be having that in passion. Okay, guys, you have to love your wife. You have to cherish love for her. Appreciate her always. Thank her. Appreciate her for good. Appreciate her for everything she has been doing. Anything you see that she do wrong, call her, advise her, talk to her. Mommy, honey, darling, sweetheart. Call her sweet name. Appreciate her for even having those beautiful kids. No, some will just they appreciate the children. Oh, my children, they are my word. They are the one that take my name out from Mrs. and from Miss Samuel to Papa Samuel. They are the one that take my name out from Daniel to Papa Samuel, John to other names that you know you can call your children. Sorry, guys. Appreciate her. Thank her. Worship her. Ask her, Mommy, I thank you for these beautiful children that you gave to me. The way you are so beautiful. The way you beautiful, that is how you give me baby that is also beautiful like you. You see that love, that flower. Even though you know water am, you go they bring it head. We need it. We the women, we need it. We need that love. We need that appreciation. Appreciate her for her good. For even be with you as a partner. Appreciate her. It's not easy. I don't know why some men, they will just be appreciating their children, sharing love to their children more than their wife. I'm seeing it. If not my children, if not this, if not... No, don't do that. It's not nice. Those men that they are doing all those things, other kind men, all those type of men, their days are numbered. It's not nice. Me, I know they appreciate man when be say they love the children more than the mother of the children. I don't like it at all. I don't like them. If I see say you they appreciate that mother, even though I not dey gay, that is other case, you know. That one another case. Say una not dey, still they appreciate the woman. Because the woman when you know they stay with, you don't feel love her. No, at all. But if na the one when they stay with you under the same roof, my brother, love her. Tell her. Sing for her. Mommy, let me sing for you. Just because of this beautiful light that you just put in my world. In my environment. I love you. I love you more than other things. I love you. I love your children. I love you mostly, mommy. I love you, honey. I love you, sweetheart. Give her sweet name. Why be say they had some men to praise their women? To even tell your woman say you love her. Majority of men, their own don't too much, don't corrupt. When the woman die, now you can't appreciate her. Now you can't love her. That is what most men are doing. After the woman is not on seat bed, that is when you will say, oh, or you have lost her. That you will not be thinking twice. It's not nice. Love your children. This case, this time matter, my people. They take and say tomorrow, not day. They get the way they do me for body. I'm a mother. You need to love me. You need to appreciate me. For good. You need to appreciate me. Okay? There is a love that you will share for your children. That I know. But my own love. No, me not come be say the children, oh, come big past my own. I won't take it because me, I love you. I love you more than the kids. They are my kids. I'm the one that puts birth to them. I'm the one that puts birth to them. But I love you also. I love my children also. But your own love is extra. They are my lights. I know the way I will put them. Sometimes I will call them. How was school today? Oh, my love. You know I love you. Okay. You tell me what happened at school. Okay, go and tell daddy. Tell daddy. Call daddy. Tell him. Okay? Or just wait. When daddy is back, you not tell him. Okay? Or when the children is not, you are with the children is not telling you. Have you told mommy? Have you tell your mom? Okay, you have to tell your mom. Anything you need, tell your mom. Your mom will also tell me, okay? Don't worry. Those are the love we have for the children. Taking care of them. Giving them things in the world. Telling them advice. Advise them. That is all. Sing for them, share love, but let my own love back. Because without me, you don't forget the children now. No, without you, I can't have the children as well. But let's do things real, as in we love ourselves. We'll be one. We'll draw that rope. When we'll take that rope, when we'll still take the draw, then they come. You know, you have to share love for your woman, not things that your children will say to you. You will keep it. No. Why we the women always they tell the man? Not be say we not fit keep on. We they tell the man, make the man still know about things of your children. That is why we they tell the man, say, ha, honey, you know what happened for school today? Solomon say, Peter say, he can't get another new friend. You know they sit down, make you they listen to your children like that. But you go, they want make you they tighten their love. Oh my children, you know I love you. You go hold it. You go, yes, I know it's nice to do that. But some men, why it be say, for you to love your woman, you go they talk am for public, say, oh, if you know oh, number one, my children is the best. My children, I love my children more than my mama. I love my children more than my papa. No. Don't do that. If you are those type of men, stop. Stop it. It's not nice. It's not nice. You can't love your children more than your wife. I'm saying things about your wife. I'm not saying things about your family. This is not your family. Fine. But love your woman first. Anytime, any month, any year when they get children for you, let that love the full. The cup, not the evil they throw away. Let the love the full. Love her. Appreciate her. Anything she puts on, appreciate her. Love everything. Admire her. Admire her. I will talk about that. Some men self, they don't know how to admire. They will kill the woman career. That is the next topic. Okay? Admire your woman. Love your woman. Love her more than your children. They are your children. I didn't say you should not love your children. Fine. Love your children. Children, they are okay. Yes, they are, nothing will happen to them. Those children, they are the ones that are supposed to feel more love to you. But you, the papa, may you love your woman. I beg. Let your woman. Sorry, guys. Let your woman love pass your children on. Okay? Let her love pass your love. That is all for today. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Please, guys, leave your comments there. Or me, I will come read them later. Okay? I will read your comments. Thank you. Please, guys, don't take it personal, okay? This topic is just normal topic, okay? Love you all. Bye. Stay blessed.